Today I'm showing you how to change the alarm sound on your Android phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the clock app on your Android device and tap on Alarm at the bottom or top of the screen depending on your device. Step 2. Select or create an alarm. You have two options. To change an existing alarm, tap on the alarm you want to modify. Or to create a new alarm with a custom sound, tap the plus sign or Add button. Step 3. Access sound settings. In the alarm settings, look for Alarm Sound, or a bell icon. Tap on it to open the list of available alarm tones. Step 4. Choose your alarm sound. You'll see several categories of sounds. First, you'll see default alarm tones like oxygen, helium, or other pre-installed options. Tap on any sound to hear a preview. Step 5. Use your own music, optional. If you want to use a song from your music library, look for an option that says My Sounds, Music, or a folder icon at the top. Tap it and browse your music files. Select any song from your downloads or music folder to use as your alarm sound. Step 6. Select Silent Alarm, optional. If you want a silent alarm, useful for vibrate only, look for None or Silent at the bottom of the sound list and select it. Step 7. Adjust volume. Some Android devices let you adjust alarm volume directly in the alarm settings. Look for a volume slider and set it to your preferred level. Otherwise, use your phone's volume buttons to adjust alarm volume. Step 8. Save your changes. Once you've selected your alarm sound, tap OK or Save. Adjust your alarm time if needed, then tap Save or Done to save your alarm. Step 9. Verify your alarm. Your alarm now appears in your alarm list with your chosen sound. Make sure the toggle is turned on, usually blue or green, so the alarm is active. Additional tips. You can set different sounds for different alarms. Use a gentle sound for weekdays and a louder one for important appointments. You can also use apps like Spotify or YouTube Music for alarm sounds if your phone supports it. Just look for those options in the alarm sound menu. Device-specific notes. The exact steps may vary slightly depending on your Android device manufacturer. Samsung, Google Pixel, OnePlus, and others have slightly different clock apps, but the general process is the same. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Android alarm sound to wake up to whatever tone you prefer.